we're going to Cafe Baccio to see what's going on. And as you can see, Ronen is always hanging out with a cigarette and a cup of coffee. Bullshitting as usual.
Again?
I'm making a documentary about the Cafe Yoga, sir. Cafe Baccio.
Oh, are you making mistakes, man?
Cafe Yoga.
Yoga.
And,
But don't put the camera on my face. I think everything is shot in high def. You know, I got some pimples and shit.
And we're gonna go inside to see the regulars at Cafe Baccio. And here he is, Mr. Frankie Oliveira, sitting at the cafe. Let's get a better picture of him. It's not a good picture of him. Good morning, Mr. Frank.
Good morning.
We're shooting a documentary about Cafe Baccio.
I'm sorry?
We're making a documentary about Cafe Baccio. And we would like to know your opinion about the coffee that they make in this establishment in comparison to...
One word, sucks.
Okay.
Get that camera out of my face, you know what I mean?
Can I put you on the internet with the interview?
No.
Okay, you don't have a choice.
Tell me something, that cologne you use, what is it, Gatorade or something?
Rhoda Ruda uses it to open the...
You got the camera in your hand again, I didn't realize that.
What's wrong with my cologne? You don't like my cologne? I was going to buy you a present. Okay. The girls like it. You're not going to like